Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Lockout, Tagout, Lock Tuesday. Hashtag Loto Lock Tuesday. Find all the videos in the series. Everyone's participating. Whack the hashtag on your video. It's that easy to participate. Win yourself some locks. Have some fun. Lockout, Tagout locks. They're the locks that'll lock off machinery to keep workers safe. Right, now we are going to explode today this federal that I picked the other day. I've had a lot of fun with this, worked out like bottom of the thankyou tension, like a little bit medium to heavy tension. It liked being picked with a 20th diamond. Once I got that organised, can easily pick this in under 20 seconds. So it's been a lot of fun, and the only reason I can pick it that fast is because of the easy bitting. Let's get in. How are we going to get in? Well, there's a few ways you can get in. You can hacksaw that join. You can split it with other sort of blades and stuff. But I'm going in with one of these. I've used these before. Careful, sometimes they fly off. So make sure the animals aren't where you are when you do this. Unfortunately, I'm having to do this in the house because the weather is not allowing me to go to my outside workbench, which means there's going to be banging, which means Betty is going to be scared. It triggers her PTSD, unfortunately. So let's get started. First things first, safety gear. Let's put on some gloves. We've got our safety glasses on. Animals are out the way. And I'll just zoom in for you. Let's zoom in as much as we can. Okay. So this is why I like to split these. If you turn one into a rattle, you want to get it back. This is the way you split these plastic dipped open. So they have a join along here. You can see it. And it's form fitted, so you can see it goes up and down there. So it sort of clips in, and then they melt certain sections of it to hold it in place. So let's get into it. So whack yourself on the join. As best as you can line yourself up. Be upright, steady. Let's just get that to bite first. Make sure that we are in the right position. Why are we so crazy with the lighting? It really doesn't like something. Let's go like that then. So placing it in position again. Let's get our initial groove. Bouncy, bouncy. Now, now, now. Yeah, watch it. I've made a start. I felt it go down a little bit on that back edge. So this is the neatest way I can find to do this, that where you can glue it back together as though nothing happened. Alright, so now we got a groove going. We stand back and hit it harder. Ooh, this is a tough one. Hit my thumb and then that was an owie. Try not to eat fingers. Right, see that? Bit of metal flung off into the abyss. That's why you don't want your pets around when you're doing this. And you really shouldn't be doing it in your kitchen, but when you don't have any other choice. Okay, yep, Betty, into the bedroom. That's a good girl. Bedroom. No, go up with Annie. Go up. That's a girl. Good kill. Let's work with the other one. You might go through a few of them. That's okay because we want clean cuts. And take your time, don't rush it. Right, let's do the bottom now. How do we do the bottom? Carefully. We don't do the bottom. We can't access the bottom. Yeah, we can. We've got the key. Let's think this through. Like light wood. Okay, key doesn't come out. Well, that's not going to help. Alright, this is not going to be easy. It's okay. That's what makes lock sport so much fun. It's not easy all the time to work stuff out. You get to use your brain to figure stuff out. Let's keep going. Come on. Just had to do a bit today, and I seem to have lost my grip strength. Not able to hold it in place, so let's go little by little. We're in. Did you see that? We're in. That's what it looks like so far. Why is everything so bright? Whoa. We're in. We're in, we're in. Okay. Oh, looking good. Looking good. Let's get it out. Should have brought some pliers with me. Sweet. Right, let's do the other side. Watch your ears. Oh, watch yourself. Don't knock over the camera. Grab the new one. So we had success by going in like that on the corner first. Stay calm. Stay calm. Just watch your back edge where you're holding. You're not holding under there because you'll skewer yourself. Just make sure your fingers are out the way from the body end. It's walking away. Okay, I feel like I'm twisted, so let's upright the cut. Stop. Let's move it along a bit. It's working, let's go right along. Okay, felt it drop down. I am whacking the shit out of this, so this is taking a whole lot more to get into than, say, a master lock has. Okay, so this is where we're coming across that join. So with the lighting, what does it say? Okay, see that lighting helps? No, it doesn't. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's get that out. All the way down to the shackle. That's a silly way to do it. It's doing nothing. I'll wreck my blade. This might be a two-parter. One getting in and one doing the gutting. Because there might be some people that's not interested in this part, but want the gutting to happen. So now, what we do, we just, because that's a dink 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 there, and that's a dink 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 there. I might just go like that. No, we might just one of these in, see if we can wedge it open now. Because we really want to be non-destructive about this. So you got my old tool out, the old faithful. Let's give it a whack. Yes, I know it's tool abuse, incorrect tool for the job. Woohoo! Getting there. Let's twist it, see what happens. Okay, that happened. Alright, let's just close it. I've lost the ball. Alright, so we're apart. Alright, so 40 minutes is how I got the federal apart. So for the reveal, let's get the part 2. Thanks for watching. A Loto Tuesday. Get into it. Check out the co-host, Sadistic Picker. Awesome lover of Loto locks. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.